Welcome to Back Technomy.
Top 5 Best Above Ground Pool Vacuum New Model 2022. We are going to check out Top 5 Best Above Ground Pool Vacuum in current time. I mean, this list is my personal opinion and I try to list them best based on their price, quality, durability and more. Each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. If you want to see their price and find out information about this best above ground pool vacuum, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Let's start Best 5 Product Review. Starting at number 1.
Product name - Best Overall, Polaris Vac-Sweep 360 Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. The Polaris Vac-Sweep 360 is our top choice for cleaning your in-ground pool. Water pressure coming from the pool's return line powers this pressure side pool cleaner, which you can use on all in-ground pool shapes and surfaces, including vinyl, pebble, tile, and more. 3 jets furnish superior vacuuming power, and its large 2.25-inch inlet helps capture large and small debris. An included sweep hose helps it get into tight corners and steps. If desired, you can upgrade it to the brand's Tail Sweep Pro for more thorough cleaning. You can adjust the 31-foot hose to fit the size of your pool, and the all-purpose debris bag captures detritus such as leaves and pebbles, keeping them out of your pool's filtration system. Unlike other Vac-Sweep models, the 360 requires no additional booster pump, and it cleans your entire pool in 3 hours or less, so you get back into the water sooner. The all-wheel belt drive scrubs and vacuums the walls and floor of your pool, and its inline backup valve frees the unit if it gets stuck. There are a few small downsides worth noting. First, the filter bag is fairly small, so you may need to empty it frequently if your pool has a lot of large debris. Additionally, the hose opening's mesh screen needs regular wiping down, otherwise, the vacuum's pressure suffers. What we like: easy to install, captures small and large debris, cleans in 3 hours or less, keeps debris out of pool filtration system. What we don't like: small collection bag, mesh screen clogs easily. I encourage you to purchase it if you need it right.
Starting at number 2.
Product name - Best Robotic, Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is another popular robotic model that's slightly more affordable. You can use it for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, though some people say it works well in above-ground pools, as well, and cleans most pools in just 2 hours. Plus, you don't have to lift a finger during operation, the robot automatically scrubs the floor and walls. During testing, we found that this pool cleaner was extremely easy to set up, just needing to be turned on and dropped into the pool. The robot scans and maps the entire pool for more efficient cleaning, and its tangle-free swiveling cable ensures it doesn't get stuck while working its way around. We found that the cleaner picks up an impressive amount of grime and dirt, and our tester loved that you can put the machine on an automatic schedule, saving you the hassle of starting it manually. The only real downsides of this robot vacuum cleaner are that it tends to get stuck on stairs, and the manufacturer's customer service isn't the best. What we like: suitable for pools up to 50 feet. Cleans pools in 2 hours. Built-in weekly scheduler. Dual filters. What we don't like: not the most effective on stairs. Customer service could be better. I hope this is exactly what you need.
Starting at number 3.
Product name - Best Splurge, Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. Cleaning your pool is totally hands-off when you have the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner, a pricey robotic model, equipped with a variety of high-tech features. It's intended to be used in in-ground pools up to 50 feet, and the plug-and-play design makes it easy to set up and start using. Not only does it clean the floor and walls of vinyl, fiberglass, and gunite pools, but it also scrubs down the waterline to ensure every inch of your pool is sparkling clean. Power comes from 2 motors and dual scrubbing brushes, Yet the manufacturer claims it uses 90% less energy than suction and pressure cleaners. Its 3 types of filter, micro cartridges, standard cartridges, and an oversized leaf/debris bag, more efficiently capture debris of all sizes, and you can purchase disposable debris bags for effortless maintenance. An anti-tangle cable ensures it doesn't hang up while cleaning, and its smart navigation software helps cover every inch of your pool. Plus, the weekly scheduler automatically starts cleaning at the desired date and time. What we like. Suitable for pools up to 50 feet. Anti-tangle cable. Cleans walls and waterline. Built-in weekly scheduler. 3 types of filters. What we don't like. Extremely expensive. It has been selling well in recent times, you can buy it.
Starting at number 4.
Product name. Best for in-ground pools, Zodiac Barracuda G3W03000 Advanced Suction Side Automatic Pool Cleaner. You can keep your in-ground pool clean as a whistle with the Zodiac G3 Automatic Pool Cleaner. This suction side cleaner has a large 36-fin disc that helps it stick to pool floor and walls, avoiding getting stuck on lights, drain covers, and fittings. The cleaner is compatible with any single, 2, or variable speed pump, and it automatically regulates water flow, allowing it to work well with low-speed pumps. This pool cleaner features just one moving component, reducing the likelihood of breaking, and makes for easy maintenance. It hooks up to your skimmer or suction line without any special tools, and it comes with scuff-resistant hoses that don't mar the pool walls. However, remember that this cleaner is best for small and medium-sized debris, and it clogging is likely if it encounters too many leaves or sticks. What we like. Cleans walls, floor, and steps. Works with low-speed pumps. Large fin disc for better suction. Limited breakage risk. What we don't like. Not ideal for large debris. Large pools need extra hose. Hope you can buy it if you feel good.
Starting at number 5.
Product name Best Suction, Hayward W3 PVS 20 JSD Poolvergnügen Pool Cleaner. Suction side pool cleaners, like the Hayward Poolvergnügen, rely on the pool's pump to suction up debris via a hose that connects to the skimmer. This popular model is designed to be used on in-ground pools up to 16 by 32 feet, and it's suitable for gunite, vinyl, fiberglass, pebble, and tile finishes. For best results, connect it at least to a half HP pump. The Poolvergnügen automatically navigates around the floor and walls for a more thorough clean. Ridged wheels allow it to navigate over drains and up walls, and adjustable roller skirts help maintain suction on uneven surfaces. Self-adjusting turbine vanes collect large debris without clogging. The cleaner even comes with 3 interchangeable throats that allow you to adjust its suction power. What we like. Ideal for small and medium pools. Ridged wheels improve climbing. Maintains suction on uneven surfaces. Includes interchangeable throats. What we don't like. Doesn't clean corners well. Considering the price and durability, you can definitely buy it.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.